AI isn't just changing the world, it's creating brand new opportunities to make money. In 2025, the people who learn to use AI will have the advantage. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways you can start using AI to generate income right now. AI makes freelancing easier than ever. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Jasper, you can offer copywriting, social media content, or even design services, and deliver them faster than traditional freelancers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are already full of clients looking for AI-assisted work. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are exploding with AI-generated content. From faceless videos to AI voiceovers, you can create channels faster, cheaper, and smarter. The trick is combining human creativity with AI speed. AI tools can help design product mock-ups, write description, and even run ads. Whether it's dropshipping, print-on-demand, or branded products, AI makes the process leaner and more profitable. Businesses want AI but don't know how to use it. If you learn the tools, you can charge as a consultant, teaching teams how to integrate AI into their workflows. Even small businesses need help automating emails, customer service, and marketing. If you've got a technical side, you can create your own AI-based tools, apps, bots, or SaaS platforms. Even simple automations can become subscription products. And with platforms like Replete or Bubble, you don't even need to be a pro coder. The money isn't in fighting AI, it's in learning how to use it. These 5 methods are just the beginning. But if you start now, you'll be ahead of most people by 25. Which of these strategies would you try first? Drop your answer in the comments and let's talk. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Insight for more weekly deep dives into AI and the future of work.